Good morning. How are we today?
Good.
Excited or nervous?
Excited.
Very good. Who did I hear say nervous? Just share it. Just share it. Okay. There's no need to be nervous at all. It's a very small gathering, so it's like speaking amongst your friends. As he mentioned, I'm Shalima Motiar, and I've been running this online talent showcase company called Dreamcatchers Vision for the last 3.5 years now. So you've heard of American Idol, Indian Idol, right? So we're trying to do something like that online. We're trying to be a stepping stone for performing artists. And so the first thing was I wanted to also debut as an MC. And it was like a challenge for myself. So in my first debut event, I said, okay, since we have 60, it was a Love to Dance, International Women's Dance Competition. And I said, let me start with, my debut along with the company's debut. So I emceed that event, and I remember Puneethan covering it for Vasantham that time. Yeah. And it was fun. And as my other judges very rightly said, there will be lots of people in the audience who will be like, okay, what is she up to? And what is she going to say? Is she going to muck up? Is it going to be okay? And then there'll be so many other people supportive, smiling, and you have to, as an MC, try and find those people, who are appreciative and smiling. And the other thing I want to tell you is, if you're prepared, if you know your subject well, if you know what you're going to be presenting, then you're confident, right? And once you're confident, then you're not trying to figure out the lines or remember what was the next thing. Because when you're trying to do that, that's when you're nervous. That's when you're not able to interact with the audience. And even sometimes if you forget the line, I remember when we were co-emceeing, so there's a line you're supposed to say, which is a cue for the other person to start talking. And it's not said in the same fashion, but that's all right, because your audience are there to have fun. They're not there to judge you, right? And then you should have fun with them. And the script, only your co-MC knows. The audience doesn't know what the exact script is, right? So they're not holding a paper saying, that word isn't right. No, you mugged up here, right? So it's only you. And as long as you're smiling through it all, fabulous. Nobody knows what you said wrong or right. You're just having fun with the audience. And even if you said something really wrong, like I remember this was one event, the MC announced the chief guest's name wrong. Now that is a huge faux pas, right? I mean, you cannot announce the chief guest's name wrong. And instead of saying, oh my God, what a bad thing I did, that person was like, that's the difference between South Indians and North Indians, and I am so bad. He went on a whole story about the whole thing, and everybody had a nice time laughing over it because, he was honest. He came out in front of the audience saying that this is a mistake I did and please forgive me for it. And that was all fine, right? So as long as you're honest about the mistakes that you do, something which you can't hide or cover, it's totally fine. I'm really excited to see what you guys have prepared. You all look lovely, and I'm sure you're going to do a great job. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you, Shalima.